Most freelancers lose a client within the first 3 minutes of a Zoom call, not because they are unqualified, but because they say one wrong sentence. After earning more than $2 million on Upwork, I can tell you exactly that sentence is and how to avoid it. Your intro call is the moment the client decides whether you are the one or not. And if you get this right, you can book high-paying clients over and over again. And if you get it wrong, the conversation ends before it even starts. Quick reminder, I put free resources in the description and in the pinned comment below. They are yours, so go grab them after this video. My name is Colette and I have earned over $2 million on Upwork. I teach freelancers how to get clients, raise their rates, and build real businesses. So let me break down the 3 pillars that have changed everything for me. Let's start with the most important thing, the intro call. Picture this. Your client responds to your proposal and they want to hop on a Zoom call. When the meeting starts, you freeze. You say things like, "So tell me about your project." And instantly they lose authority. Clients are thinking about a few things. Are you a good fit? Do you understand their problem? Can you deliver? And how long will it take? And how much will it cost? But here's the part freelancers forget. You are also evaluating them. So here is the call flow that I use. This is the same one that helped me build a $2 million Upwork career. Great to meet you. I did my background research and I have a few questions to ask you. But before I jump in, could you please give me a quick overview of your business or your company? This, the 2 things, is stop the small talk and it positions you as the professional. They speak and you listen, and then you say, "That sounds great. I have worked with a similar project and I have a couple of questions to make sure I fully understand what you need." Clean, focused, leader energy. Ask what materials they already have. Ask what success looks like for them. Ask how soon they want to begin, and always ask this one, is there a hard deadline date that needs to be met? This question saves freelancers from disaster. Clients forget to mention deadlines all the time, and if they have a sharp deadline, you need to keep that in consideration. You know your reasonable turnaround time, so make sure you are mindful not just for yourself, but for your client. What budget have you allocated for this project? Say it calmly and professionally. Remember, you are interviewing the client too. If their budget is too low, you can confidently reason with them. Possibly a simple preview markup is enough to win them over and to see your work is worth the extra cost. I have yet a client that would not love a sneak preview of what I have in mind for them. Then you can say, "Perfect, I will send your full scope in writing, including timeline, deliverables, next step, and what I need to begin. Expect it within a few hours." Then actually send it faster. You instantly appear world class. If a potential client cannot meet an agreement, then you can tell them that you wish you could accommodate them, but you will need to pass on this job. But your door is always open for future opportunities. This will build long-term trust. Keep your conversation to point and professional. Free impression is a lasting impression. If you see that the job is not a good fit, you can always inform the potential client that you will need to wrap up the meeting in a few minutes. There is never a wasted meeting. In every meeting, there is something you can learn from. Just make sure you always have the upper hand since you are the one providing the service. Clients want 2 things, proof and confidence, and you get that by having a sharp Upwork profile, case studies, a clear niche, a simple intro video, strong results, and yet even a small YouTube channel. Seeing is believing, and I have had clients tell me we only booked the call because we watched your videos. You need credibility, and videos give you that instantly. So don't forget, I put the resources in the description and pinned comment below to help you with this. When I started, I did not charge premium rates right away. I charged low and I build reviews. I build momentum, I earn trust from the algorithm, and I earn trust from clients. This is the best process and is how almost everyone starts. Once you have a few great reviews and completed contract, everything changes. Upwork begins to rank you higher because you are valuable to them. Clients respond more, your pipeline grows, but none of that happens unless you apply consistently. Not once a week, not whenever you feel like it, but daily, strategically, with intention. If you need help systemizing your applications, I explain my method in the free resources below. If you can master the 3 pillars, your intro call system, your visible authority, your consistent application pipeline, then you will stand out from your competitors. I earned $2 million using these techniques. They work and they are simple. They are repeatable and honest, and they will change your freelancing career if you follow them carefully. If you have found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. Comment below. I am there and I will answer you. Please don't forget to grab your free resources in the description and pinned comment below. I am Colette, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, be freelantastic.